Plans today are to hike red baldy, white baldy, which has Excalibur on it. We camped at Silver Glance last night. It's 11 o'clock and we have pajama hikers behind us. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
Location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn it, to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location there.
Top of red baldy. Going to white baldy next. Yeah. Really pretty view. The pajama people have survived. Now they are shirtless. They hit the incline up to get white baldy. This is White Pine Lake.
Your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need.
There's red baldy up there. We're headed to white baldy. It's up there.
Your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Send me your location, straight line. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, straight line. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, straight line. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through.
We've been chilling up here for a while. We got here about 1 o'clock. It's 1:08 right now. And it's come to our attention that there's like no one that ever comes up here,
So
really.
Josh Clark and then two other dudes, and the dude we just saw come up, he didn't sign it, but so there isn't very many people. So this is June. Last person besides that was April 29th. It was a group of two dudes from Idaho.
That's dope.
Sweet.
But yeah, it's a great view. You can see so many lakes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 lakes over there. One big lake over there. You can see Silver Lake's one of the best views I've had, honestly. It's great. You can see Salt Lake. You can see Utah Lake. You can, it's just undescribable. That's why I have a camera. Okay, now we're headed down. Pajama people.
We lost them.
Yeah.
We have no idea where they went.
We see a news article that like six people.
6 people died on Red Baldy.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
Yup. We're geniuses. Yes, we are. Oh dear. Oh my gosh. Second wave. So we're here at Silver Glance.
Procrastinating.
We're waiting for the cloud to come out of the the sun to come out of the cloud.
Come out of the sun. Because Tommy knows English.
I know. And we're
I know English very well.
yeah.
Very good English.
There's some little amphibious creatures around here.
Got some salamanders.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the sun to come out from the clouds so we can take a dip, not freeze out and die like the pajama people. Yeah, we
Update, we have no idea where they are.
yeah, they're probably dead.
Their gear is gone, so we think they made it. Oh, actually, we haven't actually checked. It's up there. It is.
Yeah, they're probably dead. We'll check after
Dead
this.
as the doorknob.
The sun came out, so we took our chance.
I effed up my hair.
Lol. That sucks. So the reason why this was such a big deal to us is because we were here 2 weeks ago and this was like iced over completely, almost. There's a few patches in there, but this was all ice, all snow. And yeah, this is why it's just like, yeah, 5 feet of snow we would be standing in. I'll try to find some photos of that and put it on here, but we just got out of Silver Glance Lake, ditching our camping supplies. We're gonna head up,
Excalibur Peak or Chat Peak. I don't really know what to call it.
yeah, it's called Excalibur because there's a big sword
Yeah.
up there.
We hiked earlier today, red and white baldy.
So there's Excalibur. You can kind of read that. It says Excalibur, King Arthur. Really cool design. Kind of rusted up, obviously. Been up here. It says this is the cool side. Too bad it's not sharpened. Yeah, Excalibur. And it's in there. I can't pull it out. Then you do it. Goodbye, Excalibur.
Until next time.
Yep. Heading back. Not die. Keyword, not die. So today,
We hiked from that spot way down there behind the dead tree all the way up to Silver Glance Lake last night. Morning, we hiked up Red Baldy, did the entire ridge, hit Silver Glance Peak, went back, you can't see it, White Baldy, came back, went down from the saddle, back down to Silver Glance, stayed there for about 30 minutes, jumped in the lake, hit this peak right here, Excalibur Peak. You can still see the sword. You stand up.
yeah, wide angle lens. Not
And
good.
we're gonna hike back down to Silver Lake, hop in possibly, and then be done for the day.
So we're in the car at the bottom. A successful day.
We got down in 7 songs.
Yes, which is like 30-ish minutes. And one of the tires are flat, so that's gonna be fun. Well, it's not completely flat, but it's pretty low.
Might as well be flat.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a fun time going down. But
Very slowly.
yeah, how much elevation do you think we got?
Way too much.
Please enunciate.
Over 10,000.
Over 10,000 feet. Yes, that was fun.
Total. That's up and down though, so.
Yeah.